Now you can handle the road with the same precision you manage your harvest. Engineered specifically for European roads, the MacDon M2170 Narrow Transport delivers full-sized harvesting performance in a road-friendly package. With an intuitive operator experience from the all-new Harvest Touch display, the MacDon M2 Narrow Transport helps you get more from every harvest. As a farmer, you deal with risk every day, so a little bit of control goes a long way. MacDon M2 Series Windrowers help you widen your harvest window and give you more options to help manage that risk. MacDon has been perfecting the windrower concept for 75 years, so we know that with swathing comes great harvesting benefits, such as quicker harvest times, fully organic harvesting, a shorter season, an alternative to natural drying or desiccation, and even crop ripening. Along with MacDon's patented dual direction steering, you'll be able to navigate tight roadways with a narrow driving width of only 349 centimeters, and safely cruise along at speeds of up to 45 kilometers an hour. Turn yourself around and set the machine to field mode, which pushes the machine's max width to 440 centimeters. In just minutes, you're ready to take advantage of massive crop clearance ability. Featuring the industry's best crop clearance with 115 centimeters of height and 341 centimeters of width, high-volume swaths flow effortlessly under the M2 Series windrowers. Ample header lift height lets you get up and over the tallest, bushiest windrows with ease. M2 windrowers provide precision control at your fingertips with the all-new Harvest Touch display. Harvest Touch precisely tracks your harvesting performance and provides user customization features through an intuitive touchscreen interface. The M2's precision controls feature a 2-stage control allowing faster and more precise header positioning. In addition, users can easily program up to 3 one-touch return buttons for immediate control of the header's height, tilt, knife speed, reel, or draper operations. In-field guidance seamlessly integrates with Trimble's world-class guidance systems, ensuring precise field navigation with the M2. The M2170 NT has a 4.5-liter 4-cylinder Stage 5 Cummins turbo diesel engine with a peak output of 173 horsepower at 1900 RPM. This engine meets global emission levels while delivering more power, improved efficiency, and easier maintenance. Clean, simple, efficient, and powerful. That's how you get more with MacDon M2 Series windrowers. M2 Series windrowers feature a dual radiator design. The cooling fan behind the cab pulls in clean air and kicks into reverse independently to blow out debris from the radiator. This constant fresh airflow keeps the engine and hydraulics running cool all day. With our patented dual direction steering, you can switch from field to road mode in seconds and travel at speeds up to 45 kilometers per hour. Hooking up and transporting MacDon drapers is quick and easy with MacDon's Easy Move transport system and allows towing speeds up to 32 kilometers per hour. MacDon's patented CrossFlex suspension makes in-field speeds up to 29 kilometers per hour possible, as this innovative design absorbs impact from rough terrain, allowing smooth harvesting no matter the field condition. MacDon's smooth innovations continue with the UltraGlide cab. The UltraGlide cab has 4 corner-independent gas shock suspension system featuring stabilization to prevent cab roll. CrossFlex suspension, UltraGlide cab, and an air ride seat in combination mean you'll enjoy a smooth, comfortable, and controlled harvesting experience with the M2, reducing operator fatigue to keep you cutting all day long. The M2 Series windrower's deluxe cab option takes comfort and performance to the next level, featuring heated and vented leather seating, power mirrors, and 360-degree night vision from 8 high-power LED work lights. The bright halo of light from our night vision lets you transition smoothly from day to night. M2 Series narrow transport windrowers are compatible with several MacDon headers, including the D1X, D1XL, D2, and attachments like the swath compressor. Continuing MacDon's tradition of innovative solutions to make harvesting easy, the M2's design means you spend less time setting up and more time cutting. Depth and fuel fill at ground level. A 530-liter fuel tank keeps you cutting all day. A larger 55-liter depth tank? Check the engine oil without lifting the hood. Hydraulic oil level sight glass. The gearbox's dipstick lets you accurately check the oil level to ensure everything runs smoothly all day long. Easy access to the radiator and cooler box. Sliding platform allows easy access. Multi-coupler hydraulic hookups. Easy access, lockable toolbox, conveniently tucked away in the M2's platform. Precision on European roads and intuitive performance in the field, MacDon M2170 Narrow Transport Windrowers help you get more from every harvest. Find your local dealer at MacDon.com and get ready for more.